Let's go. Let's not wait too long. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the stream. I am your host, Hakan, TeachMeJS. Well, we're not going to wait too long. We're just going to start off immediately. Why is this so bad? Why is the quality so bad? Is it really that bad? It is. Wow. Is it better now? Ah, it is. Again, wow. All right. Let's start off. Let's not waste time. Let's go. So, this has to be like unmute. Away, far away, so far away, so far away. Stream Deck, unmute. Microphone off, desktop off, unmute, unmute. This one can stay like that. Outro, desktop, mute, microphone, mute, OBS Studio, outro, unmute. Desktop off, OBS Studio, audio mixer, unmute, microphone, mute, Stream Deck on, unmute. I think this about fixes the problem. Okay. Push to mute. Push to talk. Something's not working properly again. Let me check this out, please. Yeah. For frick's sake. See, that's what I'm trying to say. I've been having trouble since yesterday due to the new computer with OBS, with Stream Deck, with all the settings in there. So I've been having a little struggle going here. Yeah, I'm still trying to fix some stuff. If you catch something else, please don't. Please feel free to just give me a warning so I can fix that as well. Because I never knew changing computers would be this problematic in the end. Like, I thought getting a better computer would fix all my problems, but yes, most of my problems are now fixed, but it also created other problems. But whatever. So, what was I saying? I was saying JavaScript. If JavaScript is 100 steps, I'm still at step 1. I'm still in the beginning. But I'm not going to wait until all of the JavaScript topics are done. No. I am thinking of when I'm somewhere halfway JavaScript, to start working with other frameworks such as these guys. We're going to see that then. We're going to see it then. But yeah, I read somewhere, I don't know where I read it, but someone said once you start, using React, it's the same as regular JavaScript. Well, not the same, but you can continue gaining experience in regular JavaScript while using React. So I'm not going to wait until the end, no, but still going to wait a little bit. I wonder though if there's that would be clever if I could do that. I need to look if I can run 2 OBS instances, one on my laptop and one here. Yeah. All right. Well, let's get back. I hope that answers your question. Hold on. Why are you doing that? I don't think this is going to fix my problem. Well, it's partially, but not fix it. Why is Prettier doing so stupid? Like, why is it formatting in this way? I don't like how this was formatted. Why are you doing this? Hi, Gojwala. Welcome to the stream. Hold on. God knows why it's doing this. Oh, hold on. This looks a lot better, though. Did it just fuck up again? Because probably format document. Okay. This won't change this, but at least for me it looks better again. All right. Yeah, let's do that as well. Just to see it better. Okay, yeah, that's a way of doing it. But I didn't. For me, the biggest thing was I didn't have guidance when starting off. I didn't. I still don't know what React does. For me, at this point, how I started off was I want to do web design first and understand that. So that would be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's why I'm focusing more on this. And yeah, like I said, soon enough I'm going to step do a step to something else, and we're gonna see how that works out for me. Okay, hold on, let's do this quickly. Add your access key. So we have our access key in the email. Input type hidden. That's somewhere up here. Yep, there it is. Save. Done. That's it. Let's see. Let's do this. I'm not going to do that. Let's see, maybe it wants me to put down my number. I don't know why it would do that, but let's see. All right, so if everything is right, I just sent the email out, and we should, yeah. Okay, that works. I'm happy with that. All right, in this case, we could start looking into cleaning up the code. Close our postfuck. Because I don't know where all this stuff is coming from. I'm sure that it's getting it from somewhere. Let me quickly check. I don't think we need the wrapper, etc. Let's delete all this. Save. See? Nothing's got fucked up, so that's good. So we can use this now to style it. Do we? Yeah, we fetch that. We link that. Good. I wonder where the styling is coming from in the first place. Let's quickly do a check on that. Okay, so it's not getting anything. So this means we could be able to style this. In fact, just delete all the classes and delete. Watch out with what we're deleting, but let's see. close this index quickly. Form. Okay, so this doesn't kill anything. Okay, so I think let's clean up these useless classes first. Like, all right, found it. All right, some things. All right, result. Surjit. Surjit. Is it even... Oh, come on. For fuck's sake. Okay. Starting to understand how they did that. That's a first. All right. In that case, uh, is this something that repeats? Or is there anything that repeats here? Yes. Okay, so this repeats itself, which I would love to change then. Oh, you know what? Let's go back to you. Hello? Yes. Oh, hold on. You didn't have any scripts, did you? You didn't. So this means that I could delete you guys because you're not doing anything for me right now. Maybe that will fix something. This won't go anywhere for me. I could just leave it because it is working for me, but I don't like being forced to use something like this. Let's just see what else they have to say. Okay, let's. right, you know what? I'm going to try something. Worst case, what's going to happen? I'm just going to copy whatever we didn't change. Like, fuck this shit. Okay, hold on. Too much. All right. Good. So now, oh, hold on, this one, because this one belongs to, all right. Save. All right, good. Because this looks like shit, but we're going to change it now. Input class name. In fact, you know what? Let's give it directly the ID because we can be that specific. Input ID email. Text area ID message. Well, text message. Button class, no, ID, submit button. Good. Now, I think that if we keep it like this, name, email, hola, señorita, and submit form, if everything is right, should be getting the email now. Just like previously. Oh, I wouldn't be getting the email because I didn't put in my access key yet. No, you're right. Let's try it again. Submit form. But why are you opening this page now? Memories, one more she said. It's in my head now, and I will make bad memories. That's not the email that I was expecting. Oh, hold on. But this didn't work as It should. So let's try it one more time. Well, now it's coming in. All right, so that means that the form is working. Damn you. I'm going to test something. I'm not getting stream deck, stream alert. I'm not getting any warnings from that. Rename. All right, good. Now it should be working. All right. Let's start making these now. Let's go to ChatGPT. Hey, Fahiriam Father, welcome. Oh, let me test quickly if the sound works. Let's lock this. Still no sound. I need to fix this. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Yürüyen Fare. Hoş geldin. I'm good. How are you? Let me quickly see what happens if I... No, we don't want that. What's wrong? Hold on. Oh, I thought you were talking about I would like to say it in English, but that's not nice. That's not nice. Are you taking medicines? Hi Zion, welcome to the chat. What am I learning? Well, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript mostly in the beginning. I hope to slowly build it up and then learn other languages. But now I'm doing, obviously, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You know what I thought about? Although, is it even logical to do it now? We've been in it for an hour and 20 minutes. I keep forgetting. Oh, you know what? All right. Mechanic World, thank you. Welcome. It's going to be a nice evening. And the stream, well, the stream is the stream. Oh! I did something. Let's go back here. This is not a co-working stream. This is a working stream. So how far am I into it? Well, I understand how to write HTML. I can't say I'm a pro. Let me put the music down a little bit because it's distracting me. I can't say I'm a pro in HTML right now, but I could say that if I look up, if I look up the tags, I know how to build the structure. I know how to build the, the hierarchy properly, and I understand how to write my vision, if I can put it like that. CSS, well, that's that's JS. That's the same thing as well. So I know the selectors, I know the the classes IDs and so on and so forth, and how to somewhat give shape. But I'm a lot less in CSS than I'm in HTML. Like let's just say, for instance, the displays, the whole aligning thing, the flex directions, align items, justify content. That's some things that how long I've been doing this? Well, a day a week since December. I'm not a coder myself, and I need, due to my work, I was very, let's just say, tired and at the end of my, powers. So that's why I only had a day every week for 2, sometimes 3 hours. But now slowly we're getting there. I'm changing it, my jobs. So tomorrow, in fact, tomorrow's Monday. I'm starting somewhere else. So hey Omar, welcome to the chat. But so yeah, I'm starting a new job tomorrow, and it's going to give me a lot more time at home, because in my previous job I drove around with a car for 12 hours a day sometimes, and now I'll have work days of 8 hours, and I'll be back home in time, more energy and more time to spend on learning this shit, and to continue doing my homeworks for the CS50 course. Yeah, I'm sure I got this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm really willing, and I really love, fighting fighting with the code, and trying to understand where it's going wrong. Although now I'm having some trouble, so I really appreciate the help, if you guys can in a minute. But yeah, but I like finding problems and finding a fix for them. So yeah. I really love doing this. I really love doing this. This is one of the best things I could have done and chosen, and I did. So, yeah. I'm thinking, although, now that we were talking, I was thinking of maybe I can. I'm going to do a ghetto fix. I'm going to do a ghetto fix. Let's see. I'm sure there's a much easier way using CSS, but oh, good question. Well, let's start with Zion's question first. Why didn't I start earlier? Uh, there's many things that I don't know. Are you Turkish, Sion? I know Ömer is, but are you Turkish? You're not Turkish. Well, Ömer will understand what I say, but I'm sure you'll understand just as much because parents are parents. Uh, so in Turkey, the system is you first start primary school, and once primary school is done, you go to secondary school, to lycée. And in lycée, after the first year, you start choosing your your subjects. And I'm partially Dutch, partially Turkish, half half. My father is Dutch, and the first 14 years of my life, I lived here in the Netherlands. And after 14 years of age, my dad decided we all moved to Turkey. So when I came to Turkey, my English was far more advanced than anyone else in my school. And what I originally wanted to do, and I'm going to be honest in this, I wanted to choose the easy way out. I wanted to do foreign languages. So you have the option between sciences, Turkish and mathematics, or Turkish and social studies, or foreign languages. So four different subjects. That's what you can choose out. Now I wanted foreign languages, but my parents, they chose for me. They chose the sciences. So I started with the sciences, which is pretty good if you think about it. Uh, and at some point, when I reached the university exams, I don't know. I really love doing chemistry in those 3 years that I was at the secondary school at the lycée. I decided I wanted to do chemistry. So I chose 13 universities that gave chemistry education, and one of them, which I have to say is a pretty prestigious university in Turkey, uh, I got accepted into. My points were enough to start there. So I did my chemistry education there. But in the meanwhile, I've always used computers and I really love using computers. In fact, somewhere while I was studying chemistry, I also did some C sharp, a little bit of C sharp. I was trying to build a program to a program and a program with periodic elements, a periodic table of elements uh, that was interactive, where you could click on the elements and it would open a fact sheet and you know whatever whatnot. But yeah, so I did that, but I never really thought of coding uh, up until about last year. And then a good friend of my little brother was here. He's a project manager. He's a web developer. He said, while we were talking with him, and I was like, yeah, but what are you doing? Like, talk to me. And he explained, and I was like, hey, that's nice. I can see myself doing that. And so he said to me, okay, like if you would sit down and like really as if you're going to school, if you would dedicate 9 months of your life, you'll be able to do this, and you could start somewhere junior. And that was the moment where I just said, okay, I'm making the switch. I'm working 12 hours a day. I'm driving a car to customers all over the country, sometimes even 15, 20 hours. Well, not 20 hours, luckily never 20 hours, but I did see 17 hours. So after doing work days that are that long, I have a daughter now, 10 months old, and you're missing time with your daughter. That's not nice, trust me. Uh, Whenever I left, she would be sleeping. When I came back, she would be sleeping again. And that's why I decided I want to stop. I want to do something that I can spend time at home more. Thank you. So that was a little bit the push, but also the fact that I love anything that has to do with computers and stuff like this. It just made the decision much more easier. Uh, Familiar with CSS frameworks libraries? No, I'm not. But same with JavaScript frameworks. I want to learn them. Not now. I want to figure out CSS and JavaScript vanilla even more. And once I'm somewhat proficient in them, I want to step over to frameworks. So yes, one day I will, but not now. Oh yes, I want to make a profession out of it. This is not just for fun, and maybe not even a job. Maybe freelance stuff. Hey, that would be also. Why not? If why not? Like job or freelance, I will see. I don't know where this is heading now with Chat GPT and everything. I don't know what's going to happen anyway. So let's be honest with Chat GPT now. I'm not saying that Chat GPT is going to take the jobs of the people, but it's going to make jobs much more easier. Something that, for instance, three people spent a day working on. Now, two people can spend a day working on using ChatGPT, or even one maybe. So that makes the other two people, not needed. There will be a lot of, we saw it with Twitch. We saw it with Twitch. While we're at it, I want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to Umut. Ushirin, if you don't know, I think Omar knows, but if you don't know, Ushirin is an ex-Twitch developer. He's also a Twitch streamer. And I love the guy. Go see him, by the way. I'm sure you'll love his streams. But Umut, who did a lot of things for Twitch and a lot of the things that you're now actively seeing. So not even back end, but also a lot of front end stuff. And he was kicked out of the job. So you see people, being sent away because there's, no need for them, or it's money or whatever. You start to question if there will be a future for you. I'm sure there will be, though. Don't misunderstand me. And yes, Zion already said to Matt, vanilla. That's what I'm also thinking. Start with vanilla. Self-education is the most powerful and effective experience that human can... let's just switch to this one. You can see my face a lot better. Most powerful and effective experience that humankind can do in their lifetime started in suggesting everyone for discovering themselves and their capabilities. That's why you're on the right. Yes, thank you, mechanic. Thank you. I really feel that I chose the right thing. I know. I chose the right thing. Congratulations if you're in this job and make a profession. Well, no, I understand Zion. The calculator, yes, it made work a lot easier, but in the end, some things never end. I'm coming from the sciences, so I'm a person who will know this even better. Like new technology is being found continuously. Like my work in chemistry was cancer research. I made molecules that made. Oh, this is really. The music is really causing problems for me right now. I worked in cancer research, and what we did was we made molecules out of quantum dots and gold nanoparticles that made visualizing where the cancer is inside the body much more easier. Now, doing this research, the new technology is constantly being developed, and there will one day be a moment where there will be a technology that we can visualize it without needing chemicals. That doesn't mean that I'll be losing my job. There's more than enough stuff that I can do to, R&D. Same goes for mathematicians. The calculator coming out doesn't mean that mathematics is dead now. You still need them to, to continue doing the more complex stuff now. You can use it as a tool, and that's probably I think you and I are thinking the same way. ChatGPT is not here to steal the jobs, but it's here to make our job more easier, and therefore giving us more. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Zexter. Oh, nice name. I'm not one of those people. You can come here with the weird, strange names. As long as you don't be toxic in the chat, you can even call yourself, I don't know, anything else, anything even worse than that. But welcome to this channel. Welcome to the stream. Sit down, relax, chat with us, and we'd like to hear where you are, and you know. But yeah, so where were we? So now web developers and whatnot can do more complex jobs. Like ChatGPT is now being used to create new protein structures. This is a big step for science, and I really love where this is going to. So yeah, I am somewhat afraid that it will make some stuff harder for me to find a job, but I'm also very happy that ChatGPT came, and the chances it's giving us to develop. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's the last thing you said. I really do agree, though. I started off with ChatGPT. If you go back and watch my previous streams, in fact, I'll drop this here. Go to my link tree. There's also a YouTube link there. Thank you for the follow. There's also a YouTube link there. Go back to my first video. Like, you will see me 50%, 60% of the stream in ChatGPT, trying to get ChatGPT to do stuff for me, and get frustrated as well. ChatGPT helped me learn something, and that is how to be specific when coding. Yes, we're waiting for you. But yeah, so that's what ChatGPT that ChatGPT helped me, to be honest. I have to say, because learning how to be specific when coding, yeah. All right, let's get back to the coding screen, and let's continue with this. Now, I love the emote. I really love it. The girlfriend waving from behind, a window. Hello. Yeah, I love that new emote as well. Like, I said it yesterday during the stream. Kafamda deli sorular. A lot of things going on in my head. How are you? How was the stream yesterday? I couldn't stay for too long. All right. That's good. Okay, but 3 a.m. for you though, or not? That means about what, 12 noon here? Noon European? Oh, 3 a.m. for Turkey. Okay. Yeah, okay. But I have to say, I really do love, like, you get a lot of people on the stream, like, and everyone is very, very nice, and I really love everyone in the community. But I don't know why, but whenever John attends the stream, I love it even more. When you two come together, the stream is complete for me, like really complete. Yesterday, that was for me. That was yeah, he is the secret sauce. I don't know. He has this very nice laugh. He has this very open, friendly laugh, and I really like that about him. But yeah, so let's talk about what I've been doing. Well, yesterday, what I did, you already saw. I tried to pick out some of the codes, the resources that I used when building this website, today, well, during yesterday's streams, one of the viewers said, "Why don't you use Web3 forms to make the contact form work?" Uh, I don't have a backend, but I could use that to get to get email from people. Now this web page is still not uploaded, but I do hope to one day get it on here, and then I'll have obviously. So I hope to one day have that website on here, and then people will be able to contact me, that kind of stuff. So that's the whole thing that I'm trying to achieve during these streams. So what I did was indeed I went and got an access key from Web3 Forms, and I'm creating this contact form now, and it's working. So I did get emails in my inbox. So that's not this one, but this one. So I am getting emails in my inbox, which is good. So it's working. Now the only thing left to do is to make the shape more nice. So that's where I've been busy with. That's what I've been busy with today during the stream. So yeah, watch me suffer. I need to hold on. Let me watch that. But I have to say, I really do love, like, you get a lot of people on the stream, like, and everyone is very very nice, and I really love everyone in the community. But I don't know why, but whenever John attends the stream, I love it even more. When you two come together, the stream is complete for me, like really complete. Yesterday that was for me that was yeah, he is the secret sauce. I don't know. He has this very nice laugh. He has this very open, friendly laugh, and I really like that about him. but but he is though. Well, I'm like I have to say, I said this to you before during your stream. There's a few other web developers in very major companies that I've also watched. I'm not going to name them now, but you know what I'm talking about. And I don't see the quality. I don't see the quality of content. I don't see the quality of the interaction with the people, which is very very important. And you do that. You do that very beautifully. How you talk with your people, how you talk with your viewers, how you interact with them. I really love it, and you can see the quality in it. So yeah, thank you for doing this. Like really, thank you for doing this. And as you can see underneath my stream, I'm proudly wearing the tag Campus. So I've always done this, and we're going to make something big out of this. I'm 100% sure. Campus is going to be one of the major, communities on Twitch, on in the web development world everywhere. So yeah. Yeah, go Campus. For anyone who's wondering what we're talking about, this is the Discord. So you can go to discord.camp.us. Let me see if that still works as it should. Yes, it works as it should. This Campus is a community. It's really a community. So there's no other way of telling it. created by web developers for web developers. People from all walks of, well, all walks in sense of web development, all walks of life are there, all languages, doing all kinds of stuff, interacting, asking questions, working together, and like working together, and which is what I really love about the campus. So I'm not being able to work with this. Still, I'm very proud of the Afet haritası. As you know, a few months back, 2 months back, big earthquake in Turkey, in the eastern part of Turkey, and there was a need for a map where all resources for people that were affected by the earthquake. There was a need for this map, and these people, they all came together. They had co-working sessions, and they perfected this map, and many people were able to find resources thanks to these maps. So yeah, a lot of stuff is happening in the campus, and if you're not there, you should be. That's the only thing I'm saying. If you're not in the campus, you should be in the campus now. All right, let's go, because otherwise this work is not going to end itself. No, I'm hitting a wall now. I'm hitting a wall, so I'm not crying. All right, let's continue. How's the doggos doing, though? You have two very beautiful dogs. How are they? Are they friends now? Well, I wouldn't expect anything else. I'm going to delete these quickly. Let's see what it does. Well, I know what it's going to do. Should I like? Would it work? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting that. But, hold on. ID text message. Let's give it a margin top. Okay. Is it me? Is it me, or aren't you working properly? It's probably me, though. Let's go back to our beloved. Where are you? There you are. No, there you are. Hmm. But it does have a closing tag. Oh. Oh. I see what you're saying. Sorry. I misunderstood. Ow. What would happen? No. No, I don't need to put that there. Music. In fact, let me put the coding screen here. Put you here. Why are input and text Yeah, but it's already doing that, isn't it? You know what? What we could do though. Hmm. Could it be? No. What if I do this? People don't like it when I do this. But at this point, hey, Aldrich. Welcome to the chat. Thank you. I'm fine. How are you? How did you find us? I'm happy that you did. Could I turn these into span? Maybe I should. Ooh. But that does work for me though. Hold on. Yes, yes, Umut, yes, that would be beautiful. But I have a different idea though, and I would like to one day talk with you about that. Uh, I'm planning on either bi-weekly or something like that, doing a Friday stream, or maybe a Saturday but morning stream. Uh, and it's going to be a just chatting stream. So let me just put that out there. Uh, but yeah, I do want to talk with you about that and maybe one day do something like that. Hey, Aldrich, well, I'm happy that you're browsing the software category, and I'm happy that you're here now chatting with us. Can I ask if you are a developer, a web dev, or not, starting, or maybe even a hero already? Yes, we're going to collaborate, Umut, for sure. This is something that I've been wanting for a long time now, so I'd be happy to take you up on that offer. You're a front end dev. Well, perfect. I'll tell you about myself. It's already in the about me part down in my Twitch channel. I'm not. I'm a not end dev. That's a special sort of dev. Yeah, see you later. Take care. I'll see you in Ozzy's stream. I'll probably be raiding there if he's online when I'm leaving. I'll raid him. I think I'm going to maybe 15, maybe 30 more minutes, and then I'm closing it. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like long streams. Not doing them, but, you know. Yes, see you there. So yeah, more about me. I'm learning how to code. That's the whole purpose of this stream. Learning how to code, recording the whole journey, putting it. Well, it's here, but it's also on YouTube. So I'm putting it on YouTube as well, so people can watch it, and maybe there's someone out there that needs that extra push to start web development. Maybe I'll be that person that gives them the push. Hey, this guy started off zero as well, and he's doing this. Hey, maybe I should do this as well. Maybe I should follow his steps, because as you see, we have Umut here, beautiful person, ex Twitch dev. Like, the guy knows his business. You're here, you're a front end dev, and there's many more people, some online, some not online today. But they help me. They help me become a better coder, and all of this is being recorded for other people to view as well. So I'm trying to reach an as big as possible audience. Today that's 8 viewers, but hey, I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that. I don't need to have thousands of viewers. As long as I have a quality 8 people on my stream, I'm more than happy, man. I don't need anything else. So again, welcome to the stream. Stick around, help me out. I'm open for help. I don't have problems with backseat deving, so please go ahead. If you have something to input, I'm here to listen, and I'd be happy to listen to you as well. That being said, let's continue with this. Now, this should have been span. Yes. Okay, how did we do that again? I know. Hold on, I know. HTML, how to change opening, and I know it's something easy, but tag. No, that's not it. It's much more easier than that. No. It was a lot easier than that. I'm sure as soon as I see it, I'm going to be like, yeah, that's it. Benefit from pair programming with other devs. If you can explain me what that is, Control P. Oh, that's it. If you can explain me what that is, I'd love to hear that. No? Oh, hold on. It was like this. Control P. No, it's not. But I do know it was something with Control P, though. Or was it maybe something else? Shift Control P kind of thing, maybe. Nope, that's not it. I use this many times. Control Shift P. Yeah, but I use that as well, but it's none of these. Like, why do I remember it being something with an... Was it Emmett? Amit! Welcome to the stream. How can we be of service? No, I can't be of service. Amit, welcome. How did you find this? Happy that you did. Let me put that out there. Why is it? Ah, okay. See, all right. Uh, well, yeah, Matt. What I do have is I have the live share. If you're talking about that, and we do sometimes use that in the stream. Like I said, I have a few very beautiful people. Oh, we can make events here as well. That's nice. We have a few very beautiful people in the stream. Not today here, but so like people like you, and that's why I'm happy that I get more and more people like you guys in my stream. Whenever I'm coding, and they have input, or it's like a collab stream. It's like collabing. Send me the link via either Discord or via Whisper if you want, because links are closed, as you can see. Oh, stop that. You can send it as a whisper to me. Here, I'll type something so you can easily find me to write. Again, welcome, Amit. You're very silent, but that's okay. You don't need to speak to be here. Yeah, but I understand. So, in what you're saying is you are able to also write code actively, if I'm correct. Yes. Well, that's why I use for that. I have live share. So I share the workspace with some people that want to collab on the code. Up until now, we've had Roy Lisi and Arduku not here today, but they always join me in coding stuff. But hey, maybe next time we'll do it together. Like, I'd love to do that. I'm okay with that. And I do tend to learn from that as well. As long as stuff are not just changed to be changed, as long as I understand why it's being changed and what we're doing there, I'm okay with people doing stuff in my code and changing it to, work better. Like, for instance, we're not in that screen right now. Where is that screen? Let's go to the focus screen. Like, what you'll be seeing now in the corner, for instance, you'll see a Pomodoro timer. Again, this is one of the things that one of my viewers helped me perfect. Like, I did the shape, well, partly I did the shape, and they perfected so that the timer worked properly. Yes, Sir Johnston, welcome to the chat. Indeed, you're right, and that's something that I don't want. Like, that's what I'm saying. If the person that is helping me out in the coding, as long as I'm understanding what they're doing and I also have a say and can do some stuff, I'm okay with pair coding. Like, that's what we've been doing in the stream so far. Whenever we did live share, whenever the guys came online into and started coding in the in this development environment, let's put it like that. I made sure for myself as well that I don't end up being a backseat, and I always try to stay active and understand what's going on and maybe even give input or change some stuff myself. So we can put that on halt again. Yeah. So this isn't working as I wanted it to work. I'm going to go back to P. That looked just a little bit better. In fact, you know what? I'm going to delete these all. We don't need this. Oh, you can stay there though. Now, placeholders. What am I doing? So this is not. Let's see what this brings us. Yeah. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to increase the box sizes here, the input sizes. What's this even? But like I said, I'm still not good with CSS. I'm trying to learn it as much as I can, but this is now at this moment is something that I really can't wrap my head around. Yeah, but the containing element is a container. Or not, I would say. Has the action on it. Should actually be a form element. This. Hold on. You're right though. You're right about that. You're very right about that. I don't know why that changed. Probably me when I was, see, because here it's form. Probably when I was screwing around with Emmet, I changed that. So okay. If that's what you're saying, yeah. So the only thing I can see is the box size here. Box sizing. Yeah, I did that because if I don't, like for instance, quickly do this, show you what happens. Hey? Hey? Okay. Hold on. Oh, maybe that's okay, hold on. I think one of the problems has fixed itself when we changed the form back to form. Hold on. No, it didn't. It's okay. Let's put the divs back then. Because only then I have them like underneath each other, you know? Plus this submit form is also I know you guys probably don't like the brs that I'm using, but at least for this moment it gives them the shape that I want. Oh, this is a nice song, by the way. Google Grids Flex with CSS. Doesn't it have a W3? Nope. I have an intro level. Let me show you that, but I haven't been able to look at this for a long time. I really need to sometime start, working again with these kinds of things. No, this is Flexbox Froggy. I'm not sure if this is something like you were looking for, but you know what? Here, all of you, drink water. Go back and hover over the input. Oh, sorry. You want to see the styles? Display. Hold on. Which display are you talking about? You want me to do something like this? Oh, there it is. It's already in there. Hold on. Why are you guys continuously... Hold on. Let me just manage moderation settings. Here you go. Now the stars should be gone when you type something in there. No, I think there's something's not working here. Okay. Let's see. My butt. Hi, Releasey. I think, okay, there's a theory now. I have a theory. Listen, this is in Turkish we would say burası çok önemli. I have a theory. The moment Roy Lisi comes online into the chat, I found the mistake. And it got fixed. I'm not saying that the code is afraid of Roy Lisi, but hey, the code is probably afraid of Roy Lisi. Welcome, Roy Lisi. Roy Lisi stopped learning Turkish, now learning German, not Dutch, because that's not Dutch. But yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it was as simple as, I don't know how, but there was a 2 in front of this, which was fricking it up and causing it to look like this. As soon as you remove the 2, it works. That would explain why the first form wasn't changing according to my wishes either. All right. But in this case, what I want to know is inspect. So the container, oh, we already have a container here. Okay. Let's copy this in here. Delete you because we have no use for you anymore. But why isn't it picking up the 400 pixels then? Yes, and you know what I'm going to do? It's because of that style. That means that I need to give this my own form now, but hey, I'm okay with that. I need to move these a little bit around, but that's all styling and whatnot. But this is fixed now, I would say. By taking that bloody blah bootstrap link out, it's now working, I would say, more properly. Now we just need to be sure that it also works plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. Submit form. Now, if everything goes right, we should be getting the email. And we did. So, at least the form is working now. That's for sure. The only thing that I need to do is let's do that as well. I need to do that at a different time. I'm going to create a web page again in my own format that is going to write something like, email successfully sent, and then I'm going to change this little redirect in here. But yeah, so that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be logging off now. Reason is tomorrow is my first work day with a new employer. Need to be there on time. Need to take a shower. Need to, need to get ready and stuff. Plus the family's waiting downstairs. The baby's waiting downstairs. At least I hope she's waiting. Although I do hope she's sleeping as well. I don't know. I'm split in feelings. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Let's quickly, before we're leaving, also do the GitHub part. That is part of all of this. The only question I have now is, why isn't it picking this up? Oh, hold on. Yeah, okay. Contact me page. Added the Web3 form. Is it Web3 form? Yeah. Forms mailing service and got it working. Needs some styling, rework. Commit, push, goodbye. Okay. All right. That's still working. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. Thank you for helping me out. Next Saturday we have no worries, Roy Lisi. No worries. You can come and go whenever you want. So thank you all for visiting. Thank you all for staying around, helping me out. Learning how to code. I think this was again one of those beautiful streams. Thank you for the follow, Aldrich. So I think this was one of those nice streams again where I got to meet many new people. Thank you for being here, for sticking around. Now it's time to slowly start moving to a different stream. Before I start this raid, I have some things to say, and I say this during all my streams. Hold on, let me just put his name here first, so we are done and are ready to stream, to raid. So we're going to go to OZF. OZF is a Turkish streamer, lives in Poland, is a web dev. His streams are generally in Turkish, but he does know English and he does respond in English, so you can see it as a multi-language stream. Please stick around. Please join the raid. Please go and follow. Look, even if you're not going to get any notifications, even if you're going to stop all notifications, at least follow. People like me are happy when people follow me, like you guys did today. So thank you again for all the follows. Show that same love to OZF. Say hi from me as well. Next Saturday, I will have a Watch Me Do It stream, which is a stream where I mostly flexible work with Pomodoro timer. And next Sunday, I have again a stream like this. So I have a Watch Me Do It stream on Saturday and a Learning How to Code Line by Line stream on Sunday. Both 7 p.m. Central European Time. If you're from Turkey, it's 8 p.m. for you. Just saying. If you're from somewhere else, well, 7 p.m. Central European Time. I don't know which time zone. Go check it out. Again, if you are interested in my YouTube and my Instagram and I don't know what, this is my link tree. Go there. There's a few links in there. I'm uploading all my videos to YouTube, so you'll see them there as well, from 0 to whatever we're doing now. Thank you again for joining me today. Thank you for all the follows. Thank you for all the help. See you next week, Saturday. Goodbye.